Plasticity is a concept in neuroscience that says that the brain is changeable throughout our entire lives, that we're changed by every experience we have, every thought we think, everything we learn. The brain is literally a reflection of the environment. So as we begin to accumulate information, we have new experiences, the brain upscales its hardware, and that can go on through our entire lives.
The greatest habit we have to break is the habit of being ourselves.
I thought it was an excellent session. I found him to be an extremely engaging speaker with a very positive message and one that's backed up by a lot of rigour.
Joe joins the dots closely from the impossible to the possible.
Knowledge tends to be a great ingredient that helps the brain to reshuffle and reorganize the way we process information.
It's good to hear someone like Joe speak and empower people to actually put thoughts into actions.
Every person and everything and every circumstance, we said, is organized in the brain. It's a reflection of the brain.
There's a very strong connection between the mind and the body, and if we can change the way we think, we can change our health.